Story Nest.
Benny the brave bear, a stout but cheerful brown bear with a bright blue sailor hat perched jauntily on his head, and Ellie the elegant elephant, adorned with a delicate pink bow on her trunk and a friendly smile, stood at the helm of their small, brightly painted sailboat. The wooden vessel bobbed gently on the surface of a vast, shimmering ocean, its waters a brilliant turquoise that stretched as far as the eye could see. Above them, a magnificent rainbow arced across the clear blue sky, its vibrant colors reflecting in the water below like scattered jewels. The air was fresh and filled with the salty tang of the sea. As they sailed further, propelled by a gentle breeze that filled the single white sail, the hues of the ocean deepened to a rich sapphire. Sunlight danced on the waves, creating a dazzling spectacle of light and shadow. Benny, with his paws gripping the small wooden rudder, steered their boat with focused determination, while Ellie, her large ears gently flapping in the breeze, pointed with her trunk towards something intriguing in the distance. "Look, Benny," she trumpeted softly. "What are those colors under the water?" Curiosity piqued, Benny steered the boat closer to the area Ellie had indicated. As they approached, the water beneath them transformed into a kaleidoscope of vibrant colors. They had discovered a magnificent coral reef, teeming with life and bursting with an array of hues they had never imagined. Towering formations of staghorn coral and shades of fiery orange and soft lavender stood alongside brain coral with intricate patterns of emerald green and sunny yellow. Delicate sea anemones, with waving tentacles and brilliant pink and electric blue, swayed gently in the underwater currents. Schools of tiny, brightly colored fish darted in and out of the coral branches, their scales shimmering like living jewels. Striped clownfish peeked out from the protective embrace of anemones, while graceful angelfish with flowing fins glided effortlessly through the clear water. Benny and Ellie leaned over the edge of their boat, their eyes wide with wonder and amazement at the breathtaking beauty of the underwater world unfolding before them. It was a magical garden beneath the waves, more vibrant and enchanting than any they had ever dreamed of. As the sun began to dip towards the horizon, painting the sky in hues of warm orange and soft pink, Benny and Ellie reluctantly turned their little sailboat back towards the open sea, their hearts filled with the unforgettable beauty they had witnessed. The memory of the colorful coral reef teeming with life under the rainbow sky would forever remain a cherished part of their grand adventure together. They knew with a certainty that warmed them from the inside out, that their brave sailing journey had only just begun, and countless more wonders awaited them on the vast and mysterious ocean.